Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling here. Heading out of Cat Tien National Park into Green Bamboo Lodge. Heading up to Dalat on the motorbike. So I'm gonna take you along with me today and try to get some mountain views and maybe shoot a drone and just enjoy the day. It's an 8 or 10 hour ride, so I got to get to it. It's about a quarter till 8 in the morning, so if I want to get there before dark, I have to go. So come along with me, and I hope you enjoy the ride. Peace. All right, guys, here we go. Cat Tien National Park to Dalat. Oh, that wind feels amazing. I mean, it may be 8 o'clock in the morning, but I'm sweating bullets already. All right, guys, this thing has me going down some back roads already, so we're gonna see where this takes us. Yeah, this is totally where the GPS says to go, so. The guy stopped to try to help me. He said he thought I was going to Cat Tien, where I was coming from. I was like, no, bro, I'm going to Dalat. This is where it says to go, so we're gonna go out here across these rice paddies and into these mountains and see what's up. This might just cut me through and connect me to a different road, I'm hoping, to that DT-175. Oh my gosh. Or maybe these are the roads Ticket said to avoid unless you were unless you knew what you were doing. This very well could be one of those. Yeah, I don't want to get fucked up back here. Moo cow, moo cow. Dalat.
back on track here. We got to hit the busy highway for just a few miles, and then we get to be on the slow one. Since that road was washed out back there, I had to go do a little detour, but it's not that much farther out of the way. Still on track, and it'll be a good one. The views are starting to get a little better, starting to be a little more mountainous. I gotta get on the QL 20, and that's a busy road, but bikes are allowed on it. So it's the one I took here. I didn't video any of that. Now, ain't that a sight right there? I'm gonna get up here, reroute the GPS to get me to the road I need, and then I shouldn't need the GPS after that until I get to Dalat. So I'm hoping anyways. We're gonna need gas here in a few. Yeah, this road's busy and has a lot of commercial use, but they do have a lane. They don't make it any safer though, because that big bus right there will pass that thing as soon as it gets a chance, and he don't give a fuck who's coming. So I'm gonna pull up here and play with this GPS. Oops. Didn't see them. See, like that big semi there. You want to avoid these roads if you can. There's one about to pass me.
Check this GPS out, get it rerouted. Okay. A car. Oh, sweet, okay. Oh, okay. Let's just do it this way. I don't know if you can see that or if it matters, but okay. Yeah, we weren't off route very much, but we did go out of our way more than we really needed to, so whatever. Some people look at you with that look of just as they want to meet you, they want to talk to you, they want to learn everything about you. And then you get the older cats sometimes that look at you like, what in the fuck are you doing here, boy? You aren't in Kansas anymore, Zach. Okay, guys, I had to detour again, but we're right up here. I pop out onto my road, and we'll be good to go for the rest of the trip. Said this is the way to see Vietnam, guys. That's the only way. I'm hooked. All right, yes. We're on this road right here almost all the way to Dalat, so I'm happy to see it. It's like the DT-175 or something like that. I don't really know the name of it right off the bat. Something like that, though. Let's do it. On the lookout for petrol, so hello. 45.
Do you understand Vietnamese money? Do you understand?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
A week.
A week.
1 week, yeah.
Just a week.
Yeah. Yeah, it took me a few days, but I was used to the baht because I've been to Thailand, but I've never been here before. So yeah, you just gotta make sure you count the zeros before you start handing them over.
Now where are you going?
Dalat today.
Oh, this way?
Yes.
Mountain way?
Yes. Oh yes. I was on the QL20 when I came to Cat Tien. It's way too busy. That's scary busy. Thank you very much.
This way, very busy.
Yes, very busy.
This way is peaceful.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. What did I do with my keys? Thank you very much.
Where are you from?
America.
America.
Yeah.
You go alone?
Yeah.
You're very brave.
I mean, I would love to have somebody with me, but nobody to come. So you can't wait on people. You got to just do it, you know? So I'm good this way, though. That's the right way?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I thought so, but all right, you have a good day.
You have a good time.
You too, man. Thank you very much.
Hell yeah. Full tank, we're on the right track, and like I said, they're either amazed to see you or, you know, they're iffy about it, but he was just totally amazed. So I love this. Having a great time, guys. Everybody waving at me. Smiling. I tell you, the farther I get into the mountains, the more smiles and waves I get. Don't let it be distracting. Kill them with kindness. No, I don't think that's the intention. Hey guys, back here at the top of the mountain, Got a heller view out there, and then I wanted to show you these evergreen trees. That's the last thing I thought I'd see in Vietnam. I just kind of threw me for a loop. Pretty cool, beautiful. I think just our elevation, we're so high up high above sea level now, and we're heading north, so the landscape is changing, and the temperature is fine. Like, it ain't hot anymore. It's not hot anymore, and I'm really enjoying this, guys. This view is spectacular. Watch this though when you take your hands off the wheel. That's kind of scary. I might address that here in the near future with a mechanic. I don't know. I mean, everybody just say don't take your hands off the wheel, but you know, what if you have to? No other motorcycle I've ever ridden does that when you take the hands off the wheel, so I don't know. Oh, trash. I wondered where it all went. I hadn't seen any in a while. Like, I know it sounds horrible, but they might be better off burning it. I don't know. Coming into a little mountain city, guys. Oh, but this view is amazing. Oh my God. Okay. Thought I lost my phone. It's right here. How about that? That's what Savage Traveling's all about right there. Hell yeah, guys. Man, I'm speechless. Hope you guys can see that. I gotta watch the road, guys. I think I found my drone spot, guys. We're gonna try again. Yeah, look at that. Hope this little GoPro's picking it up okay. I know I'm gonna regret not picking up the Hero 7, but I just didn't have $400 more. Alright, dude, I'm gonna take the drone up for a minute, guys. Well, I'm gonna try again. So if not, I'll probably pick back up. If the drone doesn't work, then you won't see it clearly, but if it does or if it don't, I'll probably won't pick back up till I get closer to Dalat, so I can concentrate on these roads and not worrying about filming and whatnot, because I've got a hell of a video already. So take it easy, guys, and let's see if this drone
Thank you.
hope you got some of them cows there. Some more up here. That kid was holding a bra, pointing a bra at me for some reason. Must have found it on the side of the road, I don't know. There's some more cows. That was a bigger herd back there. Make sure we're getting this. 400 meters. Looks like I'm in a nice part of town. I hope I don't have to ride this to go get food. I don't think I will. Okay. Looks like I missed the road. It's not on this main road, it's off the side road back there. So looks like I'm just doing a circle. And I should be there. So awesome. Still on? Oh, good. I don't like that noise. Quit back brake. It's braking fine, it just makes a funny noise. I don't think it's done it the whole day. Started a little bit ago. Whew. Says I'm here. Where? Where are you, hotel that I booked yesterday? Is this place at? I passed it. It's right here somewhere. Oh my gosh. 33, 35, 39. I found it. Oh, that part right here. A little bigger than these ones.
Yeah, okay. Don't lock.
No luck. Okay, yeah. No, right. Ooh, is that gonna make it?
We have the steel.
Oh, okay. Well, he's kind of there. All right. Let me find my. I booked a
Yeah.
reservation last night.
Yes.